Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, ModzvilleUSA here, back with another video. And today we're going to be doing a quick one. Quick, simple, down and dirty. I'm going to be installing these Hall Effect sticks into my Switch Pro controllers. I'm going to be doing 2 sets of these, as this guy has the old drift bullshit. And the other one I just like to use, and you know, came with 4, might as well do 2 of them. So enough beating around the bush, let's get into it. Disclaimer, ladies and gentlemen, going forward, I use this clone controller for the footage, swapping the sticks, etc. The issue is when I put it back together, it would not turn on. Had to remove the sticks, the new ones, and put back in the old ones. And it works again. So I do not believe that these joysticks are compatible with the Clone Pro controllers. However, I did install it in an official controller, and yeah, that works perfectly fine. So play around if you want with the clone controllers. I couldn't get it to work in these, but that's what this footage is of. So, you know, heed that warning. I would only recommend using an official Pro controller with these sticks. Let us carry on. Okay, so we got 2 screws here. They're longer than the rest. I already took them out, but put those 2 screws somewhere special, because you're only going to find those in that location. Next, we got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we've got the battery. Pull the battery out. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, when the front plate comes off here, we've got a flex cable, so be gentle. Pops open like that. And here we go. Okay. I believe this is one of the AliExpress clone ones I got back in the day. Pretty sure I did a video on these. So we've got one here. We're going to start here. And then this guy slides out, if it's like the normal ones. Yep. Got one here. One here. Okay, that's everything. Oh, god damn it, these ones. So the clone ones appear to come with the Hall Effect sticks already, unless these aren't. Oh no, these are different sticks. Okay. Oh, whatever. We're swapping them. So be careful with the motors. These are different from the OEM ones. But the OEM ones, you're going to need to crack it. As they're glued in. Okay, so we've got just one screw here. Okay, and I'm going to be using my desoldering gun to take care of this. And now remember, everything you see me do on this channel, I do offer send-in services for. Link's going to be on screen right now, or down in the description. ModzvilleUSA.com, send-in services. Hit me up with what you want done. I'll give you a quote. We go from there, all right? But first, we're going to remove these Joy-Cons. All right, enough of that. Let's remove these joysticks. There she goes. Okay. Time for the new sticks. Huge thank you to today's sponsor, PCBWAY. If you're in the market for some PCB manufacturing, CNC machining, 3D printing, or even PCB design, PCBWAY has you covered. If you're looking for a fun soldering project, check out the shared projects section. There's a ton of amazing DIY projects to pick from. Just pick a project, click add to cart, good to go. Click the link below to check out PCBWAY. It helps the channel and it's greatly appreciated. Now let's get back to the show. All right, let us flux it up. Turn off my desoldering gun before I forget. Okay. I'm still rocking the knife tip here. Let's wait for that to stop shaking. Okay. Well, all right. These joints can be a little chunkier. That's hot. Same here. Beautiful. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I want to go ahead and clean this up, some IPA, and put it back together, same way as we took it apart. And we're going to go ahead and test, specifically the one that was drifting, and make sure everything's gravy. Well, all right, ladies and gentlemen, filming this about a week in the future. I've been playing around with this, and it's working quite nicely. And again, the footage you just watched was of me swapping it into one of the clone controllers, which did not work out. But swapping it into this OEM one fixed the drifting issues, and all you need to do afterwards is you just come on in here, go to the Calibrate sticks, and it's going to be calibrated and moving. So we got that plus in the middle. It was a little bit off when coming in here initially, but just run through this process, give it a calibration for both of the sticks, and you're good to go. So yeah, these Hall Effect sticks, if you've got an OEM Pro controller and you want a project, I mean, if it's drifting, do this. If you want to just like preemptively do this to not have to worry about it in the future, want a project for the weekend, whatever, quick, simple, fun little soldering project anyone can do. So yeah, I'm into it, recommend it. Thank you for watching.